Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on GTC. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And on the smaller time frame chart, GTC has formed a diamond bottom pattern. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of GTC that I shared with my members on 20th of November, when GTC was about to complete the final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move with US dollar pair on the daily time frame chart. And you can see it was moving at $1.67. And I told my members that we can wait for some further drop in order to complete this final leg of the Gartley setup. And then we can buy it within this price range from $1.58 and it goes to $1.40. And the sell targets, which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern for my members, was from $1.84 and goes to $2.12. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this leg and rallied up to $2.02. That was, by the way, more than 36% pump within few days. And then now let's take a look at this weekly time frame chart. And here I have been showing you this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, the price line is still moving at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. You can see still we are moving above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. This was, by the way, a very long-term downtrend line resistance that GTC has broken out in the month of October 2022, and since then the price line is still moving at the resistance of this wedge. Here we have, by the way, a very strong resistance at $2. And in order to start a long-term move to the upside, the price line still needs to break out this $2 resistance as well. Now, if we switch to the smaller time frame here on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have a formation of a diamond bottom pattern here on this chart. Let me to show you this diamond bottom. Here we have the support for the diamond bottom. And here we have the resistance at the right side. And here we have another resistance. And here we have another support at this right side. And diamond bottom pattern is, by the way, considered as a bullish bias, and eventually the price line can break out the resistance of this diamond bottom pattern. And now you can see that the price line is quite squeezed now. The movement of the price is quite squeezed inside this diamond bottom at the right side. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this diamond bottom, then our target after the breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $1.48. And in that situation, the price line, in my point of view, the price line can also try to break out this resistance of $2 as well. Even though the target is $1.48, but in my point of view, after this breakout, we can have a nice push provided to the price line to reach here at this resistance of $2. And by the way, the target for this bigger breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $29 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.